Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the OBS Studio on your Windows 11 PC. So first of all, you just need to come to a browser and go to Google and search for OBS download. After that, click on this download OBS Studio and you will find the Windows option here. Click on this download installer and it will start to download on your PC. So after finishing the download, just go to the folder and double click to open the installer. And here is the installer. Just click next and choose where you want to install. If you want to change the path here, just click on browse and select the folder that you want to install. Then click install and it will start to install on your PC. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds here. And when it's the successful install on your PC, just click finish and it will also launch OBS Studio. So just click finish, and as you can see, here's the shortcut for your OBS Studio. So as you can see, OBS Studio has been successfully installed on your PC. So for the first time, if you want to record your screen, just click on this plus icon and click on this display capture. Then click OK and select your monitor and choose the monitor and also select to capture cursor and click OK. And as you can see, if you click on start recording, it will start to record your PC. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. This is how you can download and install on OBS Studio on your PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.